What's good, YouTube? You don't know, it's your boy Versacefamily. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so right now I'm at the airport. I'm coming back home to Jamaica for a minute, yo. I ain't been there in like 5 or 6 months. So yeah, I didn't start vlogging because I think, hold on, let me check. It's like it's 6:04 in the morning. I've been up since like after. I've been up all day actually. I haven't slept since yesterday. Yeah, since yesterday, and yeah, I'm on my way. I just went through security. I checked on my bags and all that shit. So now I'm actually going to the departure lounge, and I'm going to wait for my flight. So like me I say, after 6 in the morning, so a little bit of people there. And yeah, as you can see, around empty. Down in our mask, in the lineup. So yeah. I'm gonna try to drop some vlogs for y'all when I'm in Jamaica. The fuck? Alright, like, you see anybody with travel? I tell them they say, when you get mixed up in them places, it's like the worst thing. Like, me no mix up right now, you know. I don't mix up. Been out of this, but like, I just like normally, and I'm me alone. Okay, automatic doors and them thing there. See it work? Pull up. Yeah, man. Let that go on. Alright, like I said, I'm a blood vlogger. And like me, I'm one of them bad vloggers. I don't know if I vlog good. Can't vlog. Oh yeah, can't vlog to save my life. Attention, caution. Yeah, we're good. Alright, so boom, boom. Anyways, I come back to Jamaica with one suitcase. Yeah. Yo, look at art, bro. Look at motherfucking art. Motherfucking art. That is motherfucking art at its motherfucking best. Yay, Tim Martins. Yeah. I'm gonna show me about it, so. And I'm gonna show you guys some more motherfucking art again. Bing bong. Fuck your life. Yee-hoo. Alright, yo, and I get tired. So, I'm reach this I'm for reach.
Because I ain't buying shit. I ain't buying motherfucking shit. I ain't buying motherfucking shit. Yeah, I ain't buying shit. So yeah, but chill on my buy shit.
Like, I'm literally having my phone, like the front camera, so anybody will pass, I see my front camera. And me staring at the back camera. Like, y'all see what I go through to get a video done for y'all. Like, y'all see that, right? Like, y'all know that I love you to be doing this shit. Some flight don't delay, huh? Yeah, it don't delay. This is a lounge where like you can come and just play game and shit. Use people their Wi-Fi. If you get some food, like for real, if you get some food. Backside, people are going to buy. Yeah. We gonna get there soon. Yeah, we're gonna do that one day, man. Baby, I know you're watching this. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. My panda, I'm for carrying when I go buy food. Alright, when we reach there and buy food, just link when I work. Cause can't get my phone battery, so you know what? I'm not gonna link on the back. So make sure I talk to you, I talk to you at the beginning of the vlog. So you see if all of not hear music and just views after this, I just know say yo, my battery are dead. Fuck this, I'm hungry. Oh god, Bing Bang, alright, something like life updates. I am currently in the I'm currently in whatever that's the lounge I want name. We should distribute up there so. I don't know what to call it. I don't know if it's a games room, internet room, whatever. But yeah, me there. Alright, so now I'm not happy because of the seat that I got. I wanted like the window to be here, but it is whatever. So I'm going to either edit the videos or watch a show for the vlog. So yeah, just stay tuned.
Necesar desde Occident Toronto Olusuru, normalement, natuur votre masque mon derek cocodotra. Dans le cas probable d'une aménagage, les jets de sauvetage se trouvent dans la prochaine position. Fasten at all times. Please be careful opening up the overhead bin as the view they may have shifted on takeoff.
Alright, so Milan, I got through security and all of that, and now I wait for my cousin to pick me up. I'm late because Milan almost an hour or half of the hour at now. So yeah, so I got through security, I got through immigration without a door now, and I wait for them to go out. I'm hungry. Just make sure it's a KFC, say down there and the price of a drop is maybe 5 bills for 3 piece. That's right there. I'm on. I saw you for Sashi badness come now. Alright, hold on.